In this video, we're going to demonstrate the several options in which we can search for products within the Staub website. First, we'll start with the home page, where upon arrival and you scroll down, you'll notice a myriad of featured products that we have just to showcase and highlight at any given time. We encourage you to check back often, as these products will change. If you're looking for a specific product or brand or genre, you can dive into the product sub-tab or primary tab down to the residential sub-tab, and we'll look for speakers as an example. And then we're presented with a series of subcategories. 56 results for outdoor speakers. So this would be considered the category drill down method of searching for products. We'll go back to the home page. In addition, if you happen to know the brand or manufacturer of the product in question, you can browse by brand. Again, select the product's primary navigation option, scroll down to shop by brand. You're presented with a series of subcategories and drill down accordingly. You arrive at 35 filtered results, and we'll take users back to the home page. And option number 3 would be to use the autocomplete feature within our global search box. With the search field, because it is a global search, it's going to pull results across all of our products. So as you can see, you may need to refine your search here. We have over 1,000 results. You can further refine your results in the left column here.